David, look for your brother. Where is he?
Splinter, breaking.
There he is. Peekaboo.
Okay, next. Start unloading things fast, because you gotta get home and get the kids.
Mom, I better get donuts.
You playing Indiana Jones?
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
start this off in the truck. We had to.
Daddy told me.
Little baby. Little baby. Jakey, wakey, wakey. Ooh.
You're going to get hurt.
He's gonna get hurt.
Like he did that.
He likes to look out the window. That's what he likes.
Yeah, and
Right, Jacob?
I think
Right, baby? He likes to look out that window.